just learned how to play the song Live Wire from Musician. I'm going to play it for you. I've been practicing and I hope you really like it. And that's it. That's Live Wire. It's literally 3 parts. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's got 34 notes. 34 strums. It's actually really easy to learn. So I'm going to give you the little tutorial now that you've heard me play. Okay, so you go 3rd fret 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then open, 2nd fret, open. 3rd fret 3 times. Open, 2, open. And then 2nd string, little string, open, 1st fret, 3rd fret, open, 3rd, open, open, 1, 3, open, 3, open. That's part 2. And then back to the 1st little thread, you go 3, open, 3, open, 2, open. And then 3, open, 3, open, 2, open, 2, and 3. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed and enjoy the rest of your day.